everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I have an unboxing for you guys from Verano Hill. They sent me over 3 bags I'm going to share with you guys. If you guys want to see all the bags, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into these bags. First, I want to thank Verano Hill for sending over these bags to me. They let me pick out 3 gorgeous bags I'm very, very excited to share with you guys. So, let's go ahead and get it. First of all, the packaging comes like this. I will have the names to all the bags at the bottom of the screen somewhere, but the first one is this one here. She is a light gray, and it comes with a chain strap, which is really, really cute. And they just hook on to the bag. All right, so here is the bag with the chain link on here, and then it does adjust. You can adjust the bag just by pressing this, and you can make it shorter or you can make it longer, which is really, really cute. I think that is so cute. And I like how it like hangs down. It has this extra little strap. They're really, really cute. Inside it looks like this. There's lots of space in here. There's also a zipper pocket, and then there is they do have a patch there as well. Really, really cute. I love this bag. This has like the perfect amount of space for your phone, your wallet, all the necessities that you need. And then it does have a little magnetic button. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect everyday cutie bag. It is so freaking cute. Let me show you guys what it looks like on real quick. Oh, this is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I love this little detailing right here. This is really, really cute. But yes, this is the bag. And then you can also, honestly, you can tighten it up so much that you can wear it like an arm bag, like this, like a shoulder bag if you would like. Really, really stinking cute. I will probably be wearing it like this though. I like this look. This is really, really cute. With this part on the chest, I think that is so stinking cute. This material is really, really soft and squishy. The bag it's really, really flexible, which I love. It's really, really easy to get in and out of this bag. I think this is so freaking cute. I love it. So let's get into the next bag. All right, so here is the next bag. Oh my gosh, this bag feels so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like squishy. I freaking love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here is the next bag. It is a black. All the bags I got are kind of like woven like this. I'm pretty sure the last one is woven too. But this is the bag. I got this one in black. This is just a cute little shoulder bag. Really, really cute shoulder bag. Oh my gosh, it's so squishy. On the inside, it does have a magnetic button, which is really easy. Oh, and then there is a pouch inside, which is really nice. You can put all like your lip glosses and lotions and stuff in this, so everything isn't like moving all around, and you can organize it and put it all in that pouch. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's just wide open, very wide open. It's so freaking cute. This can definitely be an everyday bag for sure. You can carry so much stuff in here. If you have like a little toddler, you can fit a couple diapers in here, some wipes, a bottle, in addition to all the other things that you have. So you can put your stuff and the baby stuff in here. This is really, really cute. This bag is so freaking soft. Like, you guys have no idea. It is so freaking soft. So, but yes, this is the second bag. She is really, really cute and can hold a lot of things. This is for the girlies that need space. If you need space, you need this bag. This one's cute. Last bag. All right, so here is the last bag. This one is so stinking cute. It is so freaking cute. It's kind of like a bucket bag style in the center. This whole, oh my gosh, I didn't even realize this whole thing comes out, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. All right, and here is the straps. Let me go ahead and put the straps on real quick. All right, so here is the last bag. This bag is so freaking cute. I really, really love the design of this bag. It's really, really cute. I really love the detail. I love the design of this bag, and I love the little patch that is peeping through this little hole here. Is really, really cute. But you can wear it with you can wear it as a top handle. All right, so this is freaking cute. I love the details on here. It is just fabulous. And the handles are magnetic, which is really cute. So they will stay closed. And then of course, you can close the center with the drawstring. I just think this bag was just really stinking cute. Also, the straps do adjust, so you can make them a little bit longer if you like. I think there's like 5 different adjustments on the strap, so you can definitely make it longer. It is pretty short right now. It's perfect for like a shoulder bag. Well, at least for me. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Isn't it so freaking cute? I love it. I freaking love it. So yes, those are all the bags that I have to show you guys. Thank you again, Verano Hill, for sending me over these bags and sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check out the description box. I will have all the links to all the bags I showed you guys today in the description box. Make sure you drop a comment. Let me know which bag you like the best. I pick out some cute bags. Would you guys purchase these ones? Do you guys already have some? Are you guys thinking about purchasing some? I hope this is gonna help you in your decision on picking out a bag for you. But yes, thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.